Hey guys, Lacey here. You're back with another episode of Guido's Killer Cars. This is just a small preview of the upcoming 2026 A-Case. We have the Carbonator. This one's really cool. It's the 2026 New Year's car. We have the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Next up is the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Some of these you may have already seen, but these are the next ones that are going up, my friends. This is the Audi 90 Quattro, and these are all new for 2026. Just hitting the stores now. This is the Roger Dodger. The Maserati Shamal. I love the new colors they've come out with this year. This is the Quick Chat in silver. The new silver Batmobile. This is the Drift Ender. Everybody's favorite Magic 8 Ball, Decidedly Go. In a new color, last year was black and purple. Today, or this year, it's teal and black. Then we have the Bouncing Base, pretty golden purple. I love this color, the Jeep Gladiator, 2020 Jeep Gladiator in lime green. Everyone's favorite, the Diora 2 in this beautiful little teal color. Everybody needs a burst of energy with the instant boost. Again, new for 2026. Then we have the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. The Solar Reflex. Track Ripper. And the new clips for the year, the Porsche 911 Carrera clip in blue. There you go, my friends. This is just a small portion of the brand new 2026 A-Case that is starting to hit the market now. As always, thanks for watching Guido's Killer Cars. Please remember, hit that like and subscribe. And don't forget, leave me a comment. Bye.